Hi, I'm Pratiksha Bosle and today's my topic is the muscular system. The muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscles. It permits movement of the body, maintains posture and circulate blood through the body. This muscular system in vertebrates are controlled through the nervous system, although some muscles such as a cardiac muscle can be completely autonomous together with the skeletal system in the human. It forms the musculoskeletal system, which is responsible for the movement of the body. Types. There are three distinct types of muscles: skeletal muscle, cardiac or heart muscle, and smooth muscles. Muscles provide strength, balance, posture, movement, and heat for the body to keep warm. There are approximately there are approximately the muscle 640 muscles in an adult male human body. A kind of plastic elastic tissues makes up each muscle, which consists of thousands or tens of thousands of small muscle fiber. Each fiber comprises many tiny strands called fibres. Impulses from nerve cells control the contraction of each muscle fiber. Skeletal muscle is a type of a striated muscle composed of muscle cells called muscle fibers, which are thin, which are in a turn composed of myofibrils. Myofibrils are composed of sarcomers, the basic building blocks of striated muscle tissue upon stimulation by an action potential. Skeletal muscles perform a coordinate contraction by shortening each sarcomere. The best proposed model for understanding contraction is the sliding filament model of muscle contraction. Within the sarcomere, actin and myosin fibers overlap in a contractile motion towards each other. Myosin filaments have a club-shaped myosin heads that project toward the actin filaments and provide attachment point on a binding sites for the action filaments. The myosin heads move in a coordinated style. They swivel towards the center of the sarcomere, detach and then to the nearest active site of the actin filament. This is called a ratchet type drive system. This process consumes large amount of endonosine triphosphate. The energy source of the cell ATP bind to the cross bridges between myosin heads and actin filaments. The release of energy powers the swiveling of the myosin head. When ATP is used, uh, it becomes adenosine diphosphate, it means ADP. And since muscles store little ATP, they must continuously replace the discharge ADP and ATP. Muscle tissue also contains a stored supply of a fast acting recharge chemical, creatine phosphate, which when necessary can assist with the rapid regeneration of ADP into ATP. Calcium ions required for each cycle of the sarcomere. Calcium is released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum into the sarcomer. When a muscle is stimulated to contract, this calcium uncovers the acting binding sites. When the muscles no longer needs to contract, the calcium ions are pumped from the sarcomere and back into storage in the sarcoplasmic reticulum. The second one type is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscle is a heart muscle, is striated muscles, but is distinct from some skeletal muscles because the skeletal fibers are laterally connected. Furthermore, just as with smooth muscles, their movement is involuntary. Heart muscle is controlled by the sinus cord, not influenced by the autonomic nervous system. Smooth muscle. Third main type is a smooth muscle. Smooth muscle contraction is regulated by autonomic nervous system hormones and local chemical signals, allowing for gradual and sustained contraction. This type of muscle tissue is also capable of adapting to different level of stretch and tension, which is important for maintaining proper blood flow and the movement of material throughout the digestive system. Thank you.